Hey, what's up my Furies? It's 13th Devil. How's it going? I am back with another kind of like unboxing video. You'll see what I mean. The title will probably give it away anyway. But I really hope this goes well because it's my second video and I've been wanting to make this one for quite a while. So if you do enjoy this video and my content, please be sure to like that like button and subscribe, ding dong the notification bell, and we'll just get straight into the video. Let's go. So we have got these. They are 24-hour British issued ration packs. So in them you get like meals and drinks and all sorts for 24 hours, but there's a little bit of a story behind these because I met this one here, what is it, 7 years ago now?
About 7, yeah.
And we were in cadets, and one of the parts of being in the cadets was you went out and you stayed away from camp for a little while. And during those times where you don't have a canteen that cooks you all of your food, you have your own food. And these are issued to soldiers to keep them going through a 24-hour period.
Whilst in deployment.
Yes. Well, not always in deployment, really.
Training exercises and deployment. They don't eat them in camp. And they don't eat them in...
Yeah, wherever you have... I was going to say restaurant, but wherever you have a canteen. So, obviously for a soldier, they need a hell of a lot more calories than day-to-day basis. These have a minimum of 4,000 calories. So in a real life situation, they work out as more of a 2-day kind of ration pack. But we are going to be taking these to the beach with us and having a little camp, and that's going to be the other half of the video. But first, let's get into these. Let's show you what's in them. I have got number 10. Tom has got number 7. Now, where we bought these from was... they only had a few in stock, so we didn't really have much of a choice.
Number 13 is the best.
Number 13 was one of the best.
They've all changed as well since we was in cadets. Like, you used to be able to get like curries and burgers. And
you can still get curries.
Yeah, but they're not as easy to get anymore. And a lot of them...
I've never heard of the burgers.
A lot of them become more healthy, so now you get a lot of like fucking pasta and tuna and shit like that. I can't hate. But these a lot of people say that they taste horrible, but they actually, I fucking love them.
Are you going to open yours up first?
I'm waiting for you. I'm just.
So the first thing you get, which everyone gets, is waterproof bag with. I've never seen this before. See, this is weird for us as well because when we were in cadets, it was completely different ration packs. There's still a few meals that are similar, but they have. Yeah. I've never seen this before.
If you forgot your utensils when you went to camp, you was fucked.
You had to... they're all in pouches, so you just had to push it out the pouch. You couldn't do anything, but... what's the point in having your normal stuff now?
There isn't. Oh, they still got the chewing gum.
Yes, I know. So, in this one, you get tea, coffee, whitener, sugar...
waterproof and windproof matches.
Hey, I wanted to talk about the windproof matches. They're the best.
Stink.
They're bright pink.
Stink so much.
And in cadets, everyone tries to light them on everything.
But they give you three types of chewing gum.
Antibacterial wipes as well?
Yeah, they give you 3 types of chewing gum. You got your strong, you got your mild, and you got your peppermint. Your milk.
You got different chewing gum to me.
Raw. You got decent chewing gum. I got different types.
So you can't even see.
I got little packets that come with 2 of them in. Yeah, you get your Thai food tea, but then you also get your English breakfast tea.
Yes.
I don't know why they give you 2 types of tea at the end of the day. It's not very...
they're all technically English breakfast.
Yeah, but it's the same shit. You get your American...
They got... oh yeah, here they are.
Coffee.
Yeah, and water purification tablets, because you can't always guarantee having clean, drinkable water.
No, it makes your water clean, but it just makes it taste like shit. It's just so horrible. But if you need water and you need it to be clean, I guess it saves your life.
So you've got pack of tissues as well.
For your arse,
For anything.
pretty much. Need a shit.
So my breakfast in here, I got apple and cinnamon muesli.
I got fruit muesli with milk.
They're all with milk, but
But this is the best one. I hate cinnamon.
yeah, I know you don't like cinnamon, but
To be honest, the only time I eat muesli and I enjoy muesli is from ration packs. I don't get cereal for it. I don't really particularly like the cereal, but ration packs muesli tastes quite nice.
and then lunch, I think, was this. It's Moroccan style bean stew. It's spiced tomato stew with chickpeas and cannellini beans.
And I got Mexican tuna pasta.
For dinner, or I mean lunches and dinners can kind of be mixed up usually anyway, but I have meat sticks and rice.
You lied to me, you said you had...
I did.
Spaghetti.
That's exactly what the menu said.
Oh, well, that's bullshit.
The menus lie to you, by the way.
I got pasta bolognese, which seems quite nice actually. I've not had it before. I want to give it a go. I'm quite a fussy eater, so eating shit like this kind of puts me off and stuff, but it's where I kind of tried a lot of things. Because you don't really have a choice. You're out in the field, you gotta eat what you gotta eat, so you just eat.
All of the ration packs come with the pudding, which is quite luxurious, don't you think?
Yeah, and I got the best pudding, chocolate.
And I got sticky toffee, and
Chocolate
it's
pudding,
just
chocolate
a
sauce.
big slab
It is just
of
a slab
cake
of cake with
in sauce. And do not make the mistake, these should be hot. Everything can be eaten hot or cold, but the cakes and everything else, like meal-wise, is best hot.
Except the rice. I used to eat the rice cold.
You're weird. But the thing that I've found bizarre as well is they've mixed the rice in with stuff now.
Yeah.
Whereas
we used to
before
do
it used to be the rice in separate packs.
We also decided, because we got fruit muesli and we're going to the beach, we didn't want to eat our fruit muesli.
I don't like muesli with... Or actually, no, I don't like powdered milk. Yes, the best meal in a ration pack is breakfast when you've got beans and sausages or an all-day breakfast. You know you've got lucky that day. That day, there is someone that's on your side.
I mean, you just wake up and think, muesli or beans and sausages? You're going to go for beans and sausages without a fucking doubt.
And then one of the snack things that I've got is just tuna and mayo. Tuna and light mayonnaise.
I think my one is the tropical fruit in the nuts.
You got tropical fruit and nuts?
I don't eat nuts. I really don't like nuts. This is the problem. They changed them and they made them really like
Bad
shit
for picky
fussy
people.
I just don't like nuts. They make me feel
So
horrible.
it means that half of his ration pack is going to end up coming over to me.
So basically, I want to eat the fruit, and Abby's going to eat the nuts. Well, we're going to be trading stuff, because obviously, like, things like pretzels don't bother me, and Abby might say that I like, even if it's something stupid like a drink. If I drink pretzels, then she might trade me a pretzel.
Although, I will not be trading you my peanut butter.
No, you can have my peanut butter.
I will be having your peanut butter, because he doesn't like peanuts. He doesn't like any nuts. Doesn't like really any vegetables.
Oh, also, are we talking about that now?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I got a cereal bar, which I'm actually fucking happy about, because it's either cereal bar or sesame seed bar.
Yeah, and sesame seed bars are like my favourite, so...
I fucking hate them. I mean, I'm such a fussy bastard.
I've got a date and peach fruit bar as
I
well,
think
though.
you've got so much more than me, but that must be what the pretzels are for.
Yeah.
Instead of that.
It all works out that you get the same amount, but they just vary here and there, so that you're obviously not repeating yourself. And then biscuits.
Wait.
You've got biscuits.
I don't have any sweets. You got boiled sweets. Where's my sweets?
Did you not get your boiled sweets?
No.
Oh, that is blasphemy. Yeah, Tom doesn't have sweets. But biscuits, I'm not sure if I'm going to like these because I'm not massively a fan of ginger. I like ginger nut biscuits.
I got the best biscuits. These are fruit biscuits, which is basically just
Even though it says
shortcake.
biscuits fruits.
Yeah. But also, something you guys got to realise that we haven't actually come across is ration packs are designed to stop you from shitting, and the biscuits are one of the things that stop that.
Yes,
They
they're...
basically induce, what's the word?
Well,
constipation.
constipation. They're ridiculously high in fibre because you're out on the field, you can't really be going that often. They can't deal with ill people, so whilst they're pumping calories in you, they're also pumping a lot of fibre. These were stem ginger oat biscuits. I also have mixed fruit puree. You've got fruit puree as well, haven't you?
I got fruit explosion.
Yeah, but what one's yours?
Mixed fruit.
It's mixed fruit as well.
They're all the same, really. They haven't really changed flavours.
Oh no, wait.
Oh, no.
It's apple and peach.
I got apple and kiwi.
Ooh.
Basically, on the back, it tells you if it's all to do with the coloured caps, because my cap's green, so I get apple and kiwi, passion fruit. Abby's got the orange one,
Which
so
is
it's
apple and peach.
Yeah.
These are actually really decent. Like, it's just like any other fruit puree, and you know, it's not all that bad. And I'm wondering if you might have an old one.
I think I do.
Because the new ones come with hot sauce.
I got Tabasco sauce.
The old ones come with Tabasco.
These were the worst because no one eats these, and when you're coming back from camp on the way home, you'd find people smuggle these in their pockets, and if you fell asleep, what they'd do is they'd dip it on your lips, and you'll wake up to some horrible burning taste in your mouth.
Or you do what us guys did, and it was a case of who would shot their Tabasco.
What we did something even more stupid, is we used to snort the energy drink powders.
Yeah, yours is completely different to mine.
Yeah.
I've got this, which is orange flavoured, which you mix up with 500ml. Do you know what flavour yours is?
Oh, mine is
It's
peach iced tea.
Oh, peach iced tea, there you go.
But it's weird because it's a peach iced tea, but it's got energy. So it's basically a Lucozade flavoured peach iced tea.
And then there's other drink powders. So I've also got a raspberry, a cola, and a tropical.
So I got tropical, tutti frutti, and grapefruit. Which I don't know if I like. I've never tried them before, but I'll give it a go. I quite like fruity stuff.
And now, yes, it is right. Your one's right, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank God.
The best thing.
Mint hot chocolate.
I don't know why you're showing them. It is. I've got hot chocolate, but mine is orange flavoured.
I'm showing them because that's the whole point in a video. We're showing people.
They can't say anything. We're sharing these because I haven't got any. I'm quite annoyed by that.
Boiled sweets are like the most sought after thing in the entirety of ration packs.
You get a pack of them in a ration pack and you never finish them, and you go home and you just start finding boiled sweets everywhere. Mine.
I'm stealing this as well. And then you also get the sheet that just tells you everything that's supposed to be in it, and you also get a feedback sheet because obviously they actually care. They do have to be enjoyable to an extent to like keep morale up. It's as simple as that. Oh, another thing is these boxes, they're not supposed to be sold. They're supposed to be only for military personnel, but
a lot of the army surplus stores sell them anyway.
So we're going to end up swapping a lot of our stuff. In the next video, we will be at the beach. We're going to go through everything, how it tastes, make up a bunch of stuff. I can't guarantee going through everything, but if there's something that you like 100% want to see, then let us know. I'm sure we'll probably go through all of the drinks. 2 tea bags isn't going to be enough for me, so we got to take more.
Let's do this.
So thank you guys all so much for watching.
Like and subscribe. I wanted to do it. I never get to do it.
Aww.
Come on. Don't get
And
mad.
I'll see you all in the next one.
You better rip me
Hasta la
a new one.
vista.
Ta-da.